Hi, everybody. Today I'm here with National Key Account Manager Mike Otelling, and we're going to talk to you a little bit about our new 5X replacement 3035.3 hinge. Mike, can you tell us what we've done to help our customers innovate the look of their trailer, their truck, or their body?
We've been working hard over the past couple of years here to develop a family of extruded aluminum hinges that really kind of innovate the look of these trailers, trucks, or bodies. This video is going to talk about a new 5X replacement hinge we just developed. The series of this is a 3035.3, as it's kind of a spin-off of our 3035 and 3068 strap hinges. So this hinge uses the butt extrusion only to create a smaller option for our customers that have a need for a small hinge on a side door or lower capacity weight door.
Mike, talk to us about some of the markets that you feel would be beneficial using this particular hinge.
Horse trailers are a big user of this style hinge, so they use a lot of the 5-inch by 5-inch formed aluminum hinges. A lot of the market knows these as a 5X hinge. These can be used on those as well as a wide variety of different units out there. So it doesn't have to just be horse trailers. There's a lot of different markets that use that style hinge. This was really just developed to kind of bundle together the whole family of hinges that we've developed. Got other videos out here on the 3035 and 3068 hinge, along with other extruded hinges that we've developed. So this kind of just pulls together a full package of hinges for our customers.
Kind of a common theme that we've been seeing with some of these hinges are that there's no grease zerks on these hinges. Why is that?
Yeah, we've really done that to increase the lifespan of these hinges. So grease zerks, people forget to grease them. So we set out and kind of developed hinges that use stainless steel pins along with the extrusion and have acetal bushings in them that will not need to be lubricated and kind of self-lubricating bushings.
Can you talk to us about some of the methods that are used in the installation of this particular hinge?
Yeah, so this hinge was originally designed to be huck riveted on. There's other options as far as using braided fasteners. We could remove the acetal bushings and replace them with metal bushings. We'd have to add a grease zerk to it, but then it would allow the hinge to be welded on. So really can work with you on what you're looking to do and how you're looking to install it.
Customers seem to care about the weight capacities. What are the weight capacities of this particular hinge?
So we run FEA data on this. Kind of a loaded question on how you rate a side door hinge though, because it really depends on how big the door is. So really recommend, if we're going to do this in manufacturing, that we get all of the dimensions of your door and run it through our engineers just to verify what the weight capacities are, how many hinges you need to use and where you need to place them. And that way it's kind of the safest all around bet for everybody.
Mike, talk to us about some of the finishes that are offered on this 3035.3 hinge.
The hinge can be manufactured in mill finish aluminum, powder coat. We can do it in bright depth anodized finish. We can talk to you about other finishes as well if there's something specific you're looking for. We offer a family of hinges that kind of pull together all of these design profiles on ramps, side doors, these small door applications like this hinge could be used for. We've got other videos out there that we talked about on the 3035 and 3068 hinge that go together with this. We've got a whole hinge package available online. Come check out our hinge section at austinharbor.com.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Michael. We appreciate it.
Thank you.